Hi everyone, it's time to document one more achievement that I have made today itself. I wanted to record every single thing so that I don't forget what all I did, how much I enjoyed, and I'll have a physical form of memories and not just pictures. Isliye I am making this video. So, any of my friend would know that Khushi wanted to do a trek since ages. Okay, I wanted to do a trek for as long as I can think of. Um, Not that old, but like since college days, I wanted to do a proper full-fledged trek. So, sorry. So, I told my brother, elder brother, कि भाई I want to do a trek. So where he's working in Central Bank. So he said, okay, whenever our firm organizes one, I'll let you know. So then apparently there's this fort in Maharashtra, Kalsubai, which is the highest fort of highest mountain size wise, the length of the mountain. It's 1647 meters, I guess. ऐसा कुछ है. Meters or feet? I don't know. Meters, I guess. ऐसा कुछ है. Please figure it out yourself. Meter, feet, whatever it is. But that's the number I remember. So look at my audacity. I, as a person, have never done forts, and then what I choose, highest of all. So we did make the payments. It was all organized by a firm. I don't even know the name. Bhai paid the trip. It was all sponsored for me. No funds, no expense made by me. So I'm not very aware of the company and all, but I'll write a name in the editing part if I get to know the firm's name. If you want, I would do. So it was very basic trek as such. I'll be very honest. A person who has done trek for the very first time, it might be difficult because it's lengthy. You cannot see your progress at that very moment. It will take you. It took us 3 hours to complete to just go up, and 3 hours, 2.5 2 hours to come down also, and we took decent breaks also beach mein. So we boarded train. We are staying in कोलाबा. So हमने ट्रेन ली फ्रॉम CST टू दादर. दादर पे उनकी खुद की वैन थी. द ट्रैक ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमिटी, दे हैड देयर वैन प्लेस्ड. तो हम सब वहाँ पे मिले. उन्होंने हमें पिक किया एक एक स्टेट पे, दादर, चेंबूर एंड वन मोर प्लेस. दे पिक्ड every one of us, and then we reached, I think, around 3ish. 3:30 तक उन्होंने हम सबको इंट्रोड्यूस करवा दिया था कि गाइस कोई दिख जाए, कोई छूट जाए तो एक दूसरे को बचा बचा के ले आना. आई वॉज विद माई ब्रदर and rest they were with their parents, friends, colleagues and all of that. A lot of the central government people were there. So like they were almost all in pair except of one, I think, but बाद में उनकी दोस्ती वोस्ती हो गई थी. She was also a central bank employee only. So her name was Akriti. Incredible woman. भाई मैं कौन जैसा बनना है, मस्त ट्रैक पे भी अकेले जा रहे, सब कुछ खुद अकेले कर रहे हैं. तो so 3:30 tak he wind up everything, the introduction part, where we have to meet again, what is the location, what we have to tell someone if we lose track of each other and something like this. So he taught us the basic thing, and then one thing was mandatory in all the essential things was a torch. You have to have a torch. The basic reason was phone की battery dead हो सकती है, and secondly रात का ट्रैक था वो. वी स्टार्टेड क्लाइंबिंग एट 3:30 एंड वी रीच्ड एट 6:15 6:30 एट द टॉप. दैट वाज द टाइम. तो इट वाज कंप्लीट नाइट एंड it was absolute blank, but oh my god, the beauty of the stars. I have never in my life saw stars that vivid, that bright and that beautiful, and that much amount of stars, beautiful. I cannot even. I'll show you the picture. I'll add the picture here somewhere, here, anywhere, on my face also. It was that beautiful, the stars and everything. So I think I experienced a lot of things, and I have a lot of feelings about a lot of things. Firstly, in my entire life, for the very first time, I was very fixated on my next step, on my next second, and not on like आगे का क्या करना है, because I am a very hyper girl. Even if I'm walking, like now jog करना, walk करना, something is playing in my back of, like something is playing either in my head or in my ears. Either I am having a monologue of my own, or some music is going on, or some podcast is going on, some lecture, something is always going on with me. बट आई डिडंट टुक आउट माई फ़ोन इवन वंस. ऐसा नहीं कह रही कि मतलब वैसे फ़ोटोज़ भी मैंने बहुत कम लिया. आई वाज लाइक कि ऐसे ये मेरे माई ब्रदर हैड अ बेटर फ़ोन देन मी, सो ही क्लिक्ड पिक्चर्स. आई वाज लाइक इफ ही इज़ क्लिकिंग व्हाई डू आई नीड. तो बहुत कम जगहों पे आई क्लिक्ड पिक्चर्स. एंड और बाकी हमें इतनी सुंदर सुंदर फ़ोटोज़ हमें ग्रुप पे मिल गई, तो खींचने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ी. तो आई वॉज़ वेरी मच इन द मोमेंट एंड आई वॉज़ वेरी मच ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ माइंड. सो आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन यू, बट इट वॉज absolute darkness at 3:30 in the morning. Absolute darkness, and you are walking a mountain which you have never walked in your entire life. You have no idea how the mountain is going to look like. You have no idea about anything in general, but you are just going through the passage of कि भाई देखे जाएंगे, आगे देख लेंगे क्या करना है. आई डिडंट इवन टुक माई टॉर्च एंड स्कैंड कि कितना ऊपर जाना है. इज लाइक इस स्टेप को लेते हैं, आगे का स्टेप अपने आप स्टेप बना लेगा. I was that focused because I knew I'll get intimidated, I'll get scared, and I'll not be able to do. तो इनिशियली तो सब इतने बॉन्डिंग नहीं हुआ था, बट बाद में बीच में ट्रैक के 10 मिनट बाद ही देयर वाज अ स्टॉप, तो जहाँ पर उन्होंने हमारी फ़ोटो ली. आई पुट फोटो ऑल्सो देयर. आई वांटेड अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फोटोज़ एंड वीडियोज़ एंड एवरीथिंग. तो आई पुट द फोटो हियर. इट वॉज इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ मंदिर छोटू सा, एंड ही सेड कि whatever you have done so far, the last 10 minutes, it's shit, it's nothing. Now the entire trek has started just now. I have to close my fan to make my audio. I hope my audio is clear now, better than because of the voice and noise and all of that shit. So yeah, the 10 minutes after that trek, and within 10 minutes I was like huffing and puffing like crazy. I was breathing air and I was doing shit. I was just gone case. Even though I'm a person who walks like 10,000 steps every single day, so I consider myself fairly active. But नहीं हो पाएगा इस वहाँ पे. तो आगे ना कि एकदम इतना बुरा हाल किया. And then we were like कि एक छोटा टी ब्रेक तो guys we deserve. Like I don't care what other people think. And it's like नहीं सन जा रहा है, सनसेट जा रहा है, सनसेट जा रहा है, सनराइज जा रहा है, सनराइज जा रहा है. एंड तब मैंने वही डायलॉग मारा था कि बनी कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटेगा ना, कब तक भागोगे तुम. So we sat there, I think 4 or 5, no, it was a bunch of 10 people, I guess. 10 to nahi, I think 7 or 8 people sat there for the first tea break. We took the tea and the entire trek has gone. Like people, the trek head and everyone they went आगे, and we were sitting पीछे. तभी वहाँ पे we met two incredibly handsome guys, two incredibly intelligent guys to be very precise. Both of them were in customs only. One was in port, I think, and the other one was in international tourism wala area, the airport wala. So they, I think, touch wood, I'm so blessed कि मुझे वो लोग मिले. they because of them I was able to finish the trek. So number one advice I would have for anyone out there is, if you want to do a trek, go with the people you love, go with the people you care about, or just do not go alone. If it is your first, second time, if you're a pro at this, go do whatever you want. But if you're a newbie, you really need a friend who pushes you to be like okay, you got this, you got this. A lot of times my legs were shivering like this. I was not able to put my legs strong enough to walk, and I was actually, my brother was laughing behind me. He was like ki, I don't know how you'll be able to do this. It was that exhausting at times. I was just I wanted to cry. I wanted to just stand there, and I was like, नहीं हो रहा है. मैंने एक्चुअली बोला, मैंने कहा भैया you guys go, when you are coming back please pick me up from here. That much that was actually exhausting यार body पे. It was actually exhausting. I did, I think, 20,000 steps today, the entire, and it was around 1,200 calories या ऐसा कुछ calories. It was actually exhausting, like super exhausting to me. I've never experienced it earlier, right? I don't even walk stairs. What the fuck are you expecting me to climb a fucking mountain, and that's just so tall. So but I'm so blessed the way those people, the guy, it was his first trek, but he was so confident, he was so go-getter type. He used to walk ahead of me, and then he used to give me, like, ask for my hand, and then he used to make me go to one place to other. Entire trek, while coming back, this was his job. He made sure that I come home safe and sound, because I repeatedly kept on telling it's okay, I don't know, I do not want to die, it's okay if I am slow. And he was also pushing me for the same. He's like, it's okay, Khushi, if you are slow, no one cares. Just complete the trek and just be very sure that तुम ये पूरा अच्छे से safely करो. Safely is very important. And we did the entire ऊपर का. We did 2 or 3 chai breaks. I don't know what. Then he gave us poha also. The trek organizer, he arranged the poha and tea. He gave us poha, tea. We went to the utmost top point. The beauty was surreal. The beauty was something I have never experienced in my life. And trust you me, touch wood, if you ever get the opportunity to experience a morning trek, the night trek, just go for it. Go for it. You'll have so much fun. You will build so many beautiful connections because सब बहुत vulnerable. और पता है किसी को हरी नहीं थी, वरना मुंबई जैसे शहर में everyone is so go getter type, such in a run. Always you will see them in platforms running from one train to another, one bus to another, catching this and that. Then everyone was okay being waiting for the other person to move ahead. Everyone was okay to sit back and to just let the time take its passage. फिर हमने पूरा बीच बीच में रुक रुक के भी जो भी मैनेज हुआ. फिर द आई थिंक हिज नेम वाज सौरभ. Saurav, I think. Saurav, I think. He made a path for me. Because of him I was able to cross. And every time I was asking कितना बचा है, and he's like 50. पहले तो बोल, मैं को लगा भाई हो गया इतना, मेरे को नहीं पता. It is so tall, so huge. And I was like कितना हो गया, and he's like 10%. And I looked at him and I was like ये बोलना ज़रूरी था. मतलब for me it's done and you're saying it's just 10% of the trek. And then he kept on pushing. I'm like कितना percent, and he's like 50%, 70%. And then 70% से 1 घंटे तक वो आगे ही नहीं बढ़ा. He's like 70%. मैंने कहा अरे तो थोड़ा तो आगे बढ़ा. You are just stuck at 70%. And then finally we went to 90% and we did the entire topmost point. I was there. Just phenomenal, beautiful. Then we came back also. उस time पे भी sort of helped me a lot. He helped me through the entire stones and all of that. Mohit Bhaiya helped me a lot. Then the other guy, Himanshu, also, he helped me phenomenally. He made sure that I reached. These people were sliding and just they wanted me to be safe. I slide 1-2 times, but they were falling like crazy, sliding and this and that. Because of them, I was very safe and I felt so good. People like them exist. They were complete strangers. I had no idea who they were, but they chose us. They helped us. They knew I was a newbie because I told them that this is my first trek in the introduction part, and they knew that it is the first time for me. The way they handled me, the way they took care of me like a baby, I'm just blessed. I'm just speechless. Trust you me, if they were not there, I wouldn't have completed the trek because a lot of times I wanted to give up. कि नहीं हो रहा है यार, ये आगे पैर नहीं बढ़. Your legs were giving up on you, like actually giving up on you. But somehow they pushed me through. They were like, खुशी अब तो आ गया यार, अब तो ये check point आ गया, देख यहाँ पे हमने ये किया था. Now the next checkpoint. And we just kept on going. They kept on pushing me and it was just phenomenal यार. And पता है हम रास्ते में इतना joke. I have the habit of I cry when I laugh hard. You know the lol वाला emoji, laugh out loud का जो एकदम लेट जाना हंस के, that's me. I cry when I laugh. My eyes are filled with tears. And तुम सोचो, I'm coming down from the trek and these people are making random shit jokes on the trekker, on the people who are there, random shit jokes, and I'm crying like crazy. I'm removing my specs, I'm doing this, आँख पोंछ रही हूँ, आंसू पोंछ रही हूँ, and I'm like, Saurav, you should shut your mouth, you should not open your mouth, you know, because of you I cannot walk in this and that. तो फिर भी हम इतने मज़े करके हम उतरे, and the beauty from there, जाते टाइम आपको इतना समझ नहीं आता. जाते टाइम all the focus was on stars only, but when we were coming, it was actually a very Indian version of Scotland, which I felt very like in the nature, very surreal, very smooth, very slow, beautiful. फिर हमें नीचे बुलाया गया. वहाँ पे उस पूरे गांव में एक ही घर है which was well developed and which was painted also, and pink color का पेंट था. तो the trekker organized lunch for all of us and the food was also very great. She gave us achar, moong ki sabzi, moong dal ki dal, moong ki dal, and then aloo, and then she gave us chapati also, big, beautiful soft chapatis, and she might have given us curry also, a lot of things. Very considerate people. They even gave us space for some time to just sleep, and people were so exhausted they actually slept a peaceful sleep and for just 10 minutes. 10 minutes का break मिला था, उसमें भी लोगों ने झपकियाँ मार ली. um, I took my book. I'll show you, okay, and I'll tell you about this also. So I thought 5 घंटे हैं guys, 5 घंटे जाएंगे, 5 घंटे आएंगे, my book would be done, right? So I took this book. I've finished half of the book. Still half is remaining. I took this book, and then सौरभ मेरे को ना बाद में मेरे को बोलता है, खुशी you were the one who bought the book. मैंने कहा या वो तो ट्रैक पे बुक कौन लाता है? And I was like, मेरे को लगा था टाइम बहुत होगा इसलिए I bought a book. And he's like, no, things don't happen that way. You don't bring books to this. And you're like, तभी तुमको चश्मा है, तभी तुमको नहीं दिखता है. And there were monkeys, okay. And वृंदावन में होता है कि if you have monkeys take your specs away. They don't give you back, right? I was very scared. I cannot see without this. Like I'm fucking blind without this. So then I keep on hiding, and then the guy ahead of me, Himanshu, is like, Khushi, you should wear specs. I don't know. और मेरे को बाद में दिख रहा है ना तुमको, दिख रहा है. मैंने कहा इतनी भी अंधी नहीं हुई यार, दिख रहा है. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि मुझे थोड़ा ब्लर और हेडेक होता है. तो इस लाइक नहीं, यू वेयर योर चश्माज, डोंट वरी. यहाँ पे मंकी नहीं ले जाते, वो सिर्फ खाने का बैग लेके जाते हैं. उनको लगता है बैग में खाने का होगा तो वो वही लेके जाते हैं, वो चश्मा नहीं लेके जाते. डोंट वरी. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है. एंड दैट्स हाउ the trek was beautiful. Like a lot of memories I have created. I'll remember those memories for the rest of my life. The pictures I might not even look back at. I didn't even click a lot of pictures, very few of them, because I was with my bhaiya, and he will never allow me to click pictures. Never, I repeat, he will never allow me. So I didn't click a lot of pictures, but whatever it was, the beauty. I have a massive height phobia, okay? For anyone who does not know, I have a massive height phobia. But I don't know how. I just did it. I'll show you pictures कि कितना ज़्यादा scary थी कुछ चीज़ें. The stairs, few stairs were there. वो बस rod की गोल गोल पतली पतली सी थी. Not even proper stairs. And उसके नीचे देखो तो फट जाए तुम्हारी, ईशी तीशी हो जाए तुम्हारी. You will be like shit scared. But I was able to do that also, and I was so proud of myself. I was so happy. That was my caption, okay. Little Khushi never thought that she'll be able to climb a 1,600 meters tall mountain in her entire life. My father wouldn't have believed it. I wouldn't have believed it because nahi tha. I was never into very much sports and very much into this. But this experience was phenomenal, man. Like every time I'll talk about my first this, I'll always think about this because always the first ones are special. Whether it's a first relationship, first kiss, first dance, anything. First is always the special, right? And this is my first trek. And on the trek only, Saurav, and he's like, भाई लाइफ में कितना भी स्पार्क कम हो जाए, दिस इज़ नॉट आई एम डूइंग. 5 मिनट के रश के चक्कर में मुझे अपनी शरीर की इतनी दही नहीं तुड़वानी है. ही इज़ प्रॉपर राजस्थानी ओनली, अलवर साइड के. इज़ लाइक आई विल रादर try to go to office on Monday just because I'll be very sure Friday वो छुट्टी है. Friday is weekend अपना Saturday से 2 दिन छुट्टी. I am okay with that. मुझे फालतू है ये नहीं करना है. It's shit. It's fun, I think. Overall, it's not shit. If you get the opportunity, go for a trek. You will learn a lot about yourself. The best, I really loved the concentration I had on the entire trek. I had never had that sort of a concentration. Um, and second lesson I learned is do not walk on small do not walk on soil and do not walk on small pebbles. वो slide करते हो और बहुत भयानक गिरोगे तुम, बहुत ज़्यादा गिरोगे. I've seen a lot of people like fall on their faces today. तो walk on strong concrete बड़े बड़े पत्थर्स who are like very stiff, they will not move. And do not walk on soil. No matter what, soil will make you slippy. And yeah, that's it. That's all. It was just fun. It was just amazing. And I just enjoyed those 6 hours of trekking. And जिस बीच का 1 घंटा जो हमने सनराइज को पूरा देखा बैठे हमने पूरा देखा. कई लोगों ने टाइम लैप्स रिकॉर्ड किया, वो तुम्हें यूट्यूब पे कोई भी कहीं भी दिख जाएगा, देख लेना. But it was just the experience was fun. It was more about, I think, today I realized that it was not about treks or the enjoyment. It is about seeing how far you can go, or you can, you know, क्रॉस योर बाउंड्रीज. आई थिंक आई वॉज टेलिंग माई ब्रदर कि यार नहीं हो रहा है ये वो, तो भैया बोलता तू वो बाउंड्री तो अपनी कब की क्रॉस कर चुकी है, कि जो तेरे को लग रहा था ना तेरी लिमिट है, वो तो कब की क्रॉस कर चुकी है. यू हैव एक्सीडेड योर लिमिट्स, नाउ यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इट. तुम्हें इफ और बट्स और इसमें कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है. एंड दिस एक्चुअली हेल्प्स यू क्वेश्चन कि यार इतनी कम लिमिट्स नहीं है, वो लाइफ में कर लिया ना तो और भी कर लेंगे. लाइफ बहुत लंबी है, ये चीज़ नहीं हुई कोई बात नहीं, एक टाइम पर वो काम किया था वो भी लगा था नहीं होगा, हो गया. सो हर चीज़ लाइफ में अच्छी हो जाती है. जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर सेल्फ एंड गिव इट योर बेस्ट.